Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of resetting the password of the mobile banking service of BMO Harris. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, open the app BMO Harris. The app might take some time to load. Once loaded, tap on the option Forgot Password. Now you'll be asked to enter your user ID. After that, you need to enter your social security number or taxpayer identification number. Enter the information asked here, and after that tap on continue. Then follow the further instructions provided and give all the required details. Finally, you'll be able to reset the password of the mobile banking service of BMO Harris. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.